Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Wi-Fi icon not showing on your taskbar or can't connect to any wireless network. So if you go to my taskbar here, just as you can see, and I want to connect to any wireless network, you can see that we should have been having a Wi-Fi here, but our wireless icon is not showing here. So these are all my icons, but my wireless icon is not showing here, which should be able to allow me to connect to any wireless network. So I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Now, without further delay, let's get started. Our first step for us to fix this issue is to troubleshoot our network and internet settings. To troubleshoot our network and internet, just go to your system, click on your start button here, and go to your settings. Or you can, on your keyboard, you can press Windows key plus I. It is going to open the settings. Once your settings opened, now go to system. Under the system, look for troubleshooting. So we have troubleshoot here. So click on troubleshoot and other troubleshooted. So click on other troubleshooters. Our network and internet here. What we are going to do is that you see we have run here. So click on the run. This is the troubleshoot recommendation. So it says that we should check Ethernet cable connection, but we are not using an Ethernet cable, so we will skip that. Now the next, it says to restart the Ethernet network adapter. So you can try this to see if the wireless adapter is also going to work. So just click on it. It's going to take a bit of time. Once we restart the adapter, so just click on it to see. If you have seen that it comes, then meaning this fixed your problem. But if still it doesn't show up, just proceed to the next troubleshoot recommendation. And it says we should restart our modem. And we are not even being connected, so why should we restart our modem? And the next option says we should restart the PC. And by restarting, you just go to your start and then click on this and then restart the PC. So which I have done that, still it is still not showing. Next, it says we should reset the network. To reset the network, I've done this, but still it is still not showing. But in your case, to reset the network, these are the guidelines that it has given. Go to your settings, then select network and internet settings, advanced settings, and then reset now. So let me close this. That's the last recommendation. So let me put this down. We are already in the settings. To reset it, just go to the network and internet. Now come to advanced settings, and then we have network reset here. So click on network reset, and then you can see we have here, click on network reset. I have tried it and still the Wi-Fi icon was still not showing up for me to connect to any wireless network. If you have tried all this and still your Wi-Fi icon is still not showing for you to be able to connect to other networks, the next step for us to do is go back to the network and internet. In here, you should have seen Wi-Fi, but we can't see Wi-Fi here. If you haven't seen Wi-Fi here, just go to advanced and network settings once again. Click on that. You can see that we have Wi-Fi here. Unwrap this to see. So, and then we have our Wi-Fi, which it says media state disabled. What you just need to do is that just enable it. Enable and disable. So once it is known, just enable it. And then for it to be enabled, if you have tried it and still it doesn't work, next is to go to your control panel, click on the start and search for control panel. Go to control panel here, and then network and internet, network and sharing center. Now go to change adapter settings. So this is our Wi-Fi and this is our Ethernet. So we are working with the Wi-Fi. Just right click on it and then disable. So if you right click and disable like this, right click on it again and enable it. Once you do this, try to see if it works out. If still it doesn't work, the next thing for you to do is, let's go to our device manager. On your taskbar again, just right click on your start button, right click on it, and we have here device manager. So click on device manager. As our device manager opens, go to network and adapters. Click on this to unwrap them. Now look for your wireless adapter. So in my case, this is my wireless adapter. So right click on it and then scan for hardware changes. So scan for hardware changes. If you try this check to see if it works. If still it doesn't work, now right click on it once again and update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Once you do this, try to check on it again to see if it works or not. But if still it doesn't work, search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Just click on it. It will take you to the Windows Update section. You can resume your update if your update is not working. So you just check for update to see if it will automatically download a network driver for the wireless adapter to work automatically. So once you try all this, let's go to our network again. So you can see one has worked for me. So that is why you can see we have our wireless network here. So let's enable it. Now I can connect to any network which I want. If you have tried all these steps and still your Wi-Fi icon is still not showing on the task manager, or it is still not allowing you to connect to any network, and you have to take note and then try to change the wireless network adapter. So that is just how easy and simple it is to fix your Wi-Fi icon not showing on your taskbar. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.